a bug with text actually. So the bug is when it comes to formatting. If I open a new format, and you can see there's some text here. If I highlight this and I paste this into a new text format, text box, it's actually pasting the text in the original format and not going by the format within the text box that's there, right? So now we have a text box with two different formats. In fact, it should go by what's the original format of this text box, meaning it should have gone by this small text here that we had originally. And if I highlight this raised seating and highlight and paste it there, it should come as raised seating in this font and this size. Okay, now that's an issue, but it did bring to my interest that we could potentially have dynamic text box. Okay, dynamic text box, as you guys probably know, is when if you use something like Microsoft Word or Google Slides, that in one text box, what we can do is we can add, for example, Quick Fox, right? This is one font. This is Verdana, and it's 72 size. And if I want to change one of the colors, I can change one of the colors. If I want to add a new font in a different size in the same text box, I can do a new font. Hello, my friend. Yeah. So you can see that multiple fonts and formats can go inside one text box, right? Including size, bolding, and italics, and even underline, right? So a lot of things can be done individually. Now, I am interested in doing the dynamic text box if it is going to take a short amount of time. If it's something that will take a lot of time, then maybe we have to reconsider it for later. But it's something that I definitely want to introduce very soon. So just please observe my request. Number one priority, the bug that is multiple formatting in one text box. But without fixing this bug, if you can actually just go straight to making the text box dynamic, meaning if I highlight one thing and I have the option to to highlight some text inside a text box and change it, it doesn't change everything, right? And the ability to change the formatting within the text box for individual letters, text, and anything that I highlight individually can be formatted differently, right? So that would be, I think, a better option. So if that doesn't take too long, then let's go for that option. If not, let's fix that original bug I just mentioned. Thank you.